Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. We are going to dive into Photopea today, which is a design tool. I'm going to show you how to convert low resolution graphics into a high resolution vector image. So if you're interested in learning the process, follow me and stick close. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is make sure that we have an image, of course, and we want to increase the size. So we're going to make sure that it's selected here on the right hand side. We're going to go up to image and we're going to look for image size, and we are going to make sure that this image is a lot bigger than what it currently is. So I'm going to just enter here 3000 and it will automatically update that number if you click away. And here under the resample, you want to make sure it's selected and you want to click the nearest neighbor over here and click OK. And from here, you can see that the image has increased in size. What we want to do from here is go to the right hand side onto your layer, right click, and you want to convert it to smart object. Once it's been converted into a smart object, we want to go up to filter on our menu, and we're going to go all the way down and look for blur. And from the blur menu, we're going to look for Gaussian blur. Now, once you've selected the Gaussian blur, you want to adjust this number so that your image stops looking pixelated. Okay, so you want to try and put a blur on it just to adjust the pixelation. Your image will look something like this. We're going to go and tap on OK. From here, we're going to go back up to the menu. We're going to click on select and we'll look for color range. From here, you want to make sure that the select is shadows and your fuzziness is all the way up. And at the bottom here, you will see that my image has some dynamic colors. So this 60 over here, you want to just make sure that this image is completely white. From there, we're going to go and click on OK. So from here, we're going to go to the bottom on the right hand side, and here we want to apply a raster mask. Okay, so we're going to click this icon. It looks like a square with a circle inside, and then right to the left of that there is an EFF, and this will allow you to add a layer. So what you want to do is go and click on color overlay. Over here you want to make sure that the opacity is 100, the blend mode is normal, and then this color is black. We're going to click on OK. From here, making sure that this is in selection, we're going to go down here and you'll see an icon that says new layer. It looks like a page that's just slightly being folded, and we're going to hold on control and tap this, and this will create a new layer here. And if you hold control and delete, it'll actually remove that background and make it white. From here, you're going to go ahead again to the bottom of this menu. You will see a new adjustment layer. We're going to click on this. It's the icon that looks like a circle with two halves. And here you want to look for levels. Now, once you've selected levels, you're going to go in here and you have some markers, a white marker on the right hand side and a black marker on the left. Now, as you're adjusting this, you will see your image start to change, and that blur will actually be removed. So you want to make sure that you're adjusting the white and the black to the middle until you're happy. So that kind of looks good to me, and on the right hand side you'll see the little dials. That's your properties. You can just close that. Now from here we can go up to the menu again, and we're going to look for select, and from select we're going to select all. From here you want to go to edit and you want to copy merge, which means you will copy this entire layer over here. And once you have done so, you can just select the one layer over here on the left hand side, and you want to go back into edit and you want to click on paste. This will take all these layers and make one image out of that. So that's layer 2. From here you're going to go up to image, and we're going to go all the way down to vectorize bitmap. And once this is open, you'll have the option up over here where it says colors, and what you want to do in here is you want to reduce that number to 2, and you want to select reduce noise, and you will see your current image and you will see the result after these changes have taken effect, and you can actually review this. Here you can see the before and the after, and there's quite a bit of a difference over there. We can now go ahead and tap on OK at the top of the page. The next step involves just going up to File, and we're going to go down to Export As, and you want to export this as an SVG. All right, and then you'll have the option while you're exporting to add raster graphics. You want to make sure that this is checked on, and we're going to go ahead and click on save, and your image is now saved onto your device. Now, I don't know about you, but that's one sharp knife. If this was enjoyable, drop us a like. We will see you next time, folks. Peace.